How to use Seedream 4.0 tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. China's ByteDance, which is the company behind TikTok, has just dropped a new image model that beats Google's Nano Banana and has been ranking #1 in the past week. And this is the new tool that everyone is excited to use. Last week, Nano Banana was taking the internet by a storm with the amazing and hyper-realism that it is going to provide in your images. But converting text to images has now been made even more realistic with the help of Seedream. Now, Seedream 4.0 has been released, and this is a brand new image creation model that integrates image generation and image editing capabilities into one single unified architecture. And Seedream has their own API, model arena, and prompt guide available on seed.bytedance.com. However, to get started with using Seedream, you can use it in a few different places. You can use this currently on Flux AI, so you can simply head on over to flux-ai.io and use Seedream over here. You also have the ability to use this on this Chinese website specifically, which is jimeng.jianjing.com. So if you take a look at the image model over here, you can select image 4.0, which is the 4.0 Seedream image model. Then after that, you also have this on Fal AI. So if you go onto Fal AI and search for the Seedream version 4 model, then it is available over here. So you have a few different places, such as replicate.com, where you can also use this. So starting off with using this on replicate.com, you can simply head on over into replicate.com/ByteDance/Seedream-4. Now you have their playground over here, and over here you're just going to input as well as view any image inputs or add any image inputs, and you can proceed. Now if you want to actually run this model, you need to sign in with GitHub. So click on sign in with GitHub over here, and you can just proceed with your GitHub account. So I'm just going to be proceeding just like so, and then I can proceed. So I'm just going to proceed on over here, and we have received a verification code that I'm going to be verifying. This is my verification code, and I'll just enter that over here to log on to my GitHub account. And once done, you guys can see this is Seedream. Now you guys can see this is their brand new model, and we can even view different examples. We have their output cost added as well. So it costs 0.03 per output image, or around 33 images for $1. It is licensed for commercial use, and all you need to do is click on run with an API so that you can proceed. However, if you want to just try this out, you can go into Fal AI. Now you guys can see on Fal AI, it is available for commercial use, but you do need to pay for commercial use, and you're just going to be adding your prompts over here. Now a lot of people say, what are the differences between Nano Banana and Seedream? One of the primary differences is how it is far less restrictive. So if you're trying to generate content that perpetuates, some type of image that Nano Banana considers negative, usually Seedream is far less restrictive. So a woman fighting in a chaotic fictional world, she is fighting demons/monsters wearing slinky armor, and I can proceed with any image URL as well. If I want to add any reference images, we can upload those. And then you have your additional settings, which include the image sizing, number of images, as well as the seed, sync mode, and safety checker. So after that, I'm just going to click on sign in to run, and you're going to continue on with your Fal AI account. So you can sign up with Google as well. This is a very simple to sign up platform. You can even sign up with your email address. This is totally up to you. And once I do that, I'm just going to proceed just like so. And I'm just going to proceed on over here. We're going to remove any of the reference images and then click on run. Now from here, we're going to click on add credits. And One thing to note is that when you're using Fal AI, you get $10 completely for free. All you need to do is add a billing card. So I'm not actually going to be I'm not going to be charged for this. Instead, you guys can see that within the first sign up, you can proceed with just adding a payment option. And when you add your payment option, then this just gives you a free credits for the first couple of images, for the first 33 images, because you can generate around 33 images just by creating your account. Then you also have gmeng.jianzheng.com. This is a website that is in Chinese, so a lot of people think it's really hard to access. But again, if I just proceed with adding my prompt, a woman fighting monsters with shredded clothing, and then I am just going to proceed on over here, click on agree. Once you click on agree, you're going to sign up on Gmeng. Again, these are all safe websites. You don't have to worry about security on any one of these. Instead, you just need to proceed and create your account. So you're going to click on login on the bottom left. You're going to agree to their terms of service, and then you're going to be logging on with your Douyin app or your TikTok application, whatever you prefer to use. And then once you do that, you can proceed. So we're going to be getting a verification code in our phone number. So I'm just going to we're just going to search on over here in the country section. And this is easier if you sign up to all of these beforehand, which just gives you more access and accessibility into generating your first few images completely for free. But I'm just going to... And now, finally, at last, we have Flux AI. So with Flux AI, you can click on free trial over here. You can click on login with Google if you already have an account, or click on create new one. I'm going to sign up with Google, and you can proceed with your free trial on Flux AI. Again, the Seedream AI tool or Seedream text-to-image generator is only available on these third parties right now. So you would have to sign up for the free trial access on some of these third parties to be able to fully use Seedream until it is launched on its own website. Now you guys can see once I have signed up, this is Seedream 4.0 AI image generator, and I will enter my prompt. Now you also have prompt optimization that you can enable, and many other features like combining images. You can give it some really impossible tasks and it will generate that as well as generate 4K images with realism and make cinematic edits. Use base images to edit step by step into a cinematic scene with multiple characters, change camera angles, as well as generate a different style of portrait. So right now I'm just going to go into my prompt, and I want to create a portrait of a woman fighting monsters. She has long black hair and is wearing shredded clothing. And then if I have any reference images, I can add that as well. Then we have our resolution and then our ratio, and I'm just going to click on generate over here, and within a couple of seconds our image will appear. So right now I'm just going to wait, and if you take a look at just the leaderboard of image editing, currently ByteDance's Seedream 4.0 has overtaken Google, and this is the image that it has created. It's a very beautiful image. I honestly think it is a really nice image. If I want, I can further proceed with more details to edit this further. So just like so, you can get started step by step on any one of these providers for your free trial to access Seedream 4.0. Now, this is an innovative tool that provides you with new accessibility and a different style of image generation. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.